Symbolize sense. Innocence. Symbolize bravery. Okay, thank you po dyan. So, ang stars daw ay nire-represent ng 50 states sa Union. Ilang states po nire-represent ng stars? 50. Tama po. And the white stars, yan po, symbolizes purity and innocence. Ano po yun mga bata ka? Okay, ngayon, yung red naman daw, dito tayo. Sa red, anong sabi niya? Red stripes symbolize valor and bravery. Kailangan matapang sila. You know, red. Okay? Yung blue naman, ito po yung blue. Can you see the color blue? Ayan. Represents po niya ang vibrance, perseverance, and justice. Variance, I should say. Okay. So, pakilala na natin ito mga bata. Sabay-sabay tayo. That was officially recognized as a resolution passed by the Continental Congress on June 14, 1777. The resolution decreed that the flag would have 13 alternating red and stripes with okay. Palakpakan niya ang sarili. Very good. Ano ulit ang makikita nyo sa American flag? Anong kulay ang mga makikita nyo sa American flag? Okay. Ilan po ang states na sinisimbolo ng stars? Ilan po? 50. Okay.
Now, let's see about the rays of the sun. But take a look with how many rays do you see in the sun? That's all on. So what do you think is this? Give me 1 second. Right, there are 8 rays of the sun. So meaning, these 8 of the sun, rays of the sun are the 8 provinces in right, our country flag of the Spanish people. So we call this one as Spanish Philippine flag. Or the Anglo Right. So and these countries or these provinces or called it. Give me 1 second. Say one more.
Money.
Blue. Bulacan. Okay, no. Cavite. Yes. Pampanga. Rizal. Laguna. Batangas. Nueva Ecija. I have 8 provinces.
Color yellow.
So this give me 1 second. Fought against the Spanish.
Right. Good job,
Or
Dr.
the
Liz. We
Spanish
have the
against
3
the
stars and the
Spanish.
sun.
So do you know who
If
went
you
to
want
Harvard
to
learn about those symbols in the flag?
What?
All right.
So we're gonna learn those things as we go
And
on.
these are 8 provinces. One more time. Those are the rays of the sun symbol. Now, let's take a look with the star. How many stars can you see again?
Right.
I have
3
4
star
colors
or
or
5
5
colors.
colors.
We have the
So
white,
this
the
means
yellow,
that these are the 3 main blue and the red. So actually there are 4, I mean. So I'm gonna discuss to you what does this color symbolize.
where I am?
Okay, are you ready?
Okay, I
Okay.
know. I am
The
the
Philippines. But in the 3 islands, I belong to the first
Right,
island, which is
Okay,
the
there you
biggest
go.
island
So,
of the Philippines.
this is
the
called
flag symbol
Luzon.
and meaning.
Luzon.
That was Miss T statement. That was Steve statement. It is in the island of Luzon. It's the biggest island here. So the symbol of
Blue. Use the blue first. Make a good draw eye coloring. Make a good draw eye coloring. Make a good coloring. Draw. Make a good coloring. I don't want to hear anything. She doesn't have a flag. I don't want to hear anything.